everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. And today we're going to do a garbage to gorgeous project. We are going to refinish my mom and dad's kitchen table. Overall, it's in good shape and it's not garbage by any means, but it's been beat up over the years, the top, and we're going to try to match it with the chairs and see if we can't get it looking like new again. And otherwise, she keeps putting a tablecloth over it to hide it. So it was either get rid of it or try to refinish it. So we are going to refinish it. I hope you enjoyed the refinishing of my mom and dad's kitchen table, and hopefully you can see that you don't have to throw something out just because it gets a little beat up. Just give it new life, stain it again, paint it, do whatever you want. So thanks guys so much for being here, and remember you can find me all over the place: Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can find those links down in the description below, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys!